The staircase adopts a glass vertical column guardrail design, which is the mainstream choice in current home decoration and industrial construction. Its core advantages lie in four aspects: appearance, quality, safety, practicality, and installation and maintenance. Among them, the glass clamps feature simplicity and sophistication, and can be used in various decoration styles. You can choose various metal materials to match your staircase. The core function of the guardrail is safety. The structural design of the glass clamp columns ensures stability, strong impact resistance, rust prevention, corrosion resistance, and moisture resistance.